Coughing is a common symptom among children and can be caused by a variety of factors, including colds, flu, allergies, and other respiratory infections. It's important to pay attention to your child's cough and other symptoms to determine the cause and provide appropriate treatment. Here are a few things you can do to help your child if they have a cough. Encourage your child to drink plenty of fluids, as this can help to thin mucus and make it easier to cough up. Use a humidifier in your child's room to add moisture to the air, which can help to loosen mucus and make it easier for your child to breathe. Washing hands is an important way to prevent the spread of illness and to keep children healthy. Avoid exposing your child to irritants, such as tobacco smoke, strong odors, and chemical fumes, as these can make a cough worse. Stay informed about current vaccination recommendations and any outbreaks of vaccine-preventable diseases in your community. Call us now. We love, we care, be part of our family.